Kraken, a North American Tier-1 exchange, announced Kaspa spot trading is slotted for a future calendar event. Simultaneously, Binance announces a Kaspa mining pool. This video contains a deep dive extracting a date for when Kaspa spot listing will take place on Tier-1 exchanges, correlating all of it into monetary policy. The crypto markets recently shining a light on FOMC and monetary policy worldwide from the recent volatility created from the Bank of Japan's carry trade. Zooming out, Max Keller, Bitcoin Maxi, did an interview on InfoWars where he predicts cryptocurrency will be directly connected with the energy sector in the coming 24 months, underlining the research we did in our prior video through the KII. Paul Vincent is also the chairman of the board of the DII, which has strong strategic business partnerships with Shell and other energy giant conglomerates, showing Kaspa is at the table with the big dogs, ready to play a part in cryptocurrencies incorporation to the energy sector.
So, and just like software ate the world during the 70s and 80s, and every company in the world became essentially a software company. You know, car companies are a software company, airlines are a software company. All value will become priced in Bitcoin. Everything will be priced in Bitcoin, particularly energy. I would say the next big prediction, I'll make a prediction here, is that within 24 months, all the major global energy contracts will be priced in Bitcoin.
A link for the video detailing Kaspa's connection to the energy sector will be put up at the completion of this one, released a week before Alex Jones could get that information out to the public. Make sure you guys hit subscribe and thumbs up so the algorithm spreads this information to the investors that are looking for it, including the details on Binance's regulations regarding new listings. They're having a lot of issues with instant drop-offs and rug pulls. So they created a new emission schedule inside of already existing emission schedules. This is called a cliff period. We can use tools as we do inside our VIP 24-point reports to look at the emission schedules of a cryptocurrency, see when the unlocks are taking place, how large they're going to be. Are they spending money on marketing? This cliff period is a hidden emission schedule underneath the radar from everyday retail traders. Only the project's teams, the market makers, and the exchange can see it. These Binance regulations were built primarily for tokens, Kaspa being not only a coin, but a proof of work coin is a beast of a different nature. And this is where the mining pool comes into play. Keynote, this mining pool is free to use until November 5th. For your everyday guy with a KS5 in his garage, this is only a few dollars. For Marathon Digital, it's an enormous cachet of money. Putting ourselves in the Marathon Digital boardroom right now, eventually they're going to want to take profit on Kaspa inside the United States in a North American exchange. So one of their primary goals is to get this Tier-1 United States listing so they can take profit in the Americas. On August 1st, Marathon Digital released an earnings report where they actually fell short from their projected dollar amount net, which caused downside in the stock. Looking forward into the future, while we're monitoring the Bank of Japan in detail, the United States FOMC, we've got to keep another eyeball on Marathon Digital and their earning reports, as right now they are indefinitely in bed with Kaspa. Using all this information, we can get an accurate projection to when these Tier-1 listings will take place. First, another layer of fundamental research must be added. This is monetary policy. The current status of the United States FOMC, the up-and-coming rate cuts, combined with the Bank of Japan carry trade looming over markets in a bearish thunderstorm, is hinting at a month recession. Kaspa has garnered strategic partnerships of the highest caliber, directly connecting Kaspa to the United States stock market through the likes of Marathon Digital, Jane and Jump Street, even BlackRock. Using Marathon Digital as an example, they operate on a strict calendar schedule. Even though Marathon Digital has a proportionately minute bag of Kaspa compared to their Bitcoin holdings, the price of cryptocurrency in general directly affects their stocks, and they operate in a quarterly, semi-annually, and yearly basis. This directly affects when the Tier 1 listing will take place, either at the end of the 2024 fiscal year or at the beginning of the 2025. The end of the year projection for the Tier 1 listing goes hand in hand with the monetary policy outlook, foreseeing a 4-month recession. Marathon Digital, BlackRock, Jane and Jump Street, members of the Kaspa team are experts in the financial markets. The release of Tier 1 spot exchanges, for example, takes place right now. That timing would be horrible, as the Bank of Japan's looming rate increase could send the market on another parabolic crash to the downside. Calling all traders looking to capitalize on the projected discount price on the up and coming months in crypto, our group has already started formulating trading plans to take advantage of potential Bank of Japan parabolic market crashes in the future and beyond. Peeking into this VIP DM, the traders still holding the early May 12.25 7x leverage trade on Kaspa. We're putting together a profit-taking plan for those leverage trades utilizing the repeating trendline system. This is the most mind-boggling and profitable technical analysis system in the world. By cloning the trend line from the handle of the cup, move it into today's current price action. And once again, the candles are bouncing directly off of it. This trend line repeats itself over and over again throughout Kaspa's chart. Back at the March breakout, repositioning it in that calendar slot. Again, holding the candle back repeatedly, acting as a repeating trend line. Back in the November spike, it's the exact same phenomenon. Even before the handle of the cup, coming off of April's symmetrical triangle, boom, it fits like a glove again. And right here, we can set up an angled Fibonacci pitch. Each and every downtrend dividend correlating with the Fibonacci spacing tool. Traders' minds right now goes far beyond technical analysis. Everyone's looking for the new listings within the artificial intelligence sector. Trump stepped right up at the Bitcoin conference and directly said, we're going to see massive growth in crypto with artificial intelligence once I take office. Utilizing a system known as the 24-point checklist, this is how we were able to connect Shell to Kaspa in the prior video. We're going to link that at the end of this one. It goes over every single detail, underlining the importance of having a written system, a group built for advanced traders who understand the charts, know the fundamentals, and are looking to hire on an extra set of hands to keep an eye on the market and give them information in a time-saving manner. Putting together a hot list of cryptos that have massive upside potential based not only on their fundamentals, but also their technical analysis. Creating trading plans before the buy signal even comes to effect, weeks ahead of time, so thorough research can be put in and everyone can do their own due diligence. Turning back the calendar to the summer of 2023, an all-in buy alert was issued under 2 cents for Kaspa, utilizing that X-axis repeating trend line. Right now is the last hurrah for discount price on crypto. This group focused in on the upcoming 4-month recession, looking for dips pullback and slowed growth on varied crypto projects from Kaspa to artificial intelligent new listings. Join us and maximize the profit, changing your life in 2025 and beyond. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.